Today I will tell you how to convert pictures to PDF file. For that you have to go to your Play Store. You have to download one app. It is called Adobe Scan and click on install. It is a very good app. It has 10 million users. And this app can be used to take pictures and convert to PDF, or you can click pictures through your phone's camera, and then you can convert to PDF. And then once it is installed, you have to create your account. Click on open. This app is installed, and then you can sign in with Google or sign in with Apple also, and then choose account. I have selected my account. It will ask for the account only for the first time, and then you have to select this connect my Google account to this Adobe ID. Connect my account, and then it will send you one code in your registered email ID. So I go to my this email ID. And here I have got this verification code, that is 530777. And I entered this code. Done. And then this screen is ready. It may also ask you about your date of birth, so enter your date of birth, and now you have to click on let's go. Allow Adobe Scan to take pictures and record photos. Yes, now you can take pictures. Like this is a picture, this answer you have written and you want to send it, so take a picture. So this picture has clicked. If you want to take a retake, so you click on retake. If you are satisfied with the picture, so click on continue. If you want to take another picture, again you can take it. It's entirely up to you. You can take picture through this scanner only. Now 2 pictures have been clicked, and you can click on continue. So 2 pictures you have clicked. You can say this is the first picture and this is the second picture. So these 2 pictures. Now you want to rename it, so on the top you can see a pencil icon. So here you can write like this is your test, so you can type computer test or any subject test, and then click on save. Just type computer test and click on OK, and then click on save PDF. So this PDF has been saved. And now you have to go to this more and click on this copy to device. So allow this scan to access your photos and medias. Allow this app, and it has stored this test. At the bottom you can see computer test.pdf, and it has a save button. So just touch the save button, and now it is saved. If you want to see where it has been saved, you go to your all apps, go to your files, and you can find it in downloads folder. So this is my computer test.pdf. You can open it in a drive, and here you can see these 2 pictures I have clicked using a scanner. Either you can go to downloads or you can go to documents. So here you can see computer test.pdf. So this is my PDF. Or if you want to click pictures through your phone's camera, so just click it through your phone's camera. And this is the another one. Okay, let me take a picture of this book. So these 2 pictures I have clicked. Now I go to this Adobe Scan, and I go to this camera icon at the bottom, and then I go to the gallery. On the left side you can see pictures at the bottom left corner. So click on the pictures and select these two pictures, 1 and 2, and just click on the tick. Now these two pictures have been selected, and you can rename it. Again, let's say this is your assignment, so you can write assignment 1 and click on OK, then save PDF. So here you can see it has two pictures, and again go to more, go to this copy to device, and now at the bottom you can see the name is assign1.pdf. click on save. Again, this file is saved in your downloads folder or documents folder in the files folder. Now go to your files and either go to downloads or document. I go to document, and here this is my assignment 1. So what is the difference? In this I have clicked pictures through my phone's camera, and I use this Adobe Scan app to convert it to PDF. Now you go to your WhatsApp group and click on the link. So this is my link where I have to upload that PDF. Let's say I have to write a paragraph, and I have to click a picture and attach it. So I go to my Google form. So this is given by your teacher. Click on this add file button and click on the select files from your device. Now again you get files at the bottom. So click on this files, and here you can see this assign1.pdf is here, or it is under recent. If you are not finding it in recent, then on the top you can see images, audio, video, and documents. The fourth option is the documents. Just look at the top right corner and touch the documents. So here you will find all the documents, all your PDF. So I have made two PDF. One is computer test and another is assignment 1. So let's say I have to attach this computer test. So I select this computer test. I click on upload. So this file is uploading, and then click on submit. So this is how you are going to submit your test. First you have to click pictures, then convert pictures to PDF, go to your form and upload it. Thank you.